Hi kids! Let's learn some vegetable names today. Cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Lettuce, L-E-T-T-U-C-E, lettuce. Onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Spinach, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Celery, C-E-L-E-R-Y, celery. Asparagus, A-S-P-A-R-A-G-U-S, asparagus. Radish, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Artichoke, A-R-T-I-C-H-O-K-E, artichoke. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Eggplant, E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T, eggplant. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Green bean, G-R-E-E-N-B-E-A-N, green bean. Pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Pea, P-E-A, mushroom, M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. Beet, B-E-E-T, beet. Red onion, R-E-D-O-N-I-O-N, red onion. Corn, C-O-R-N, corn. Cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Red chili pepper, R-E-D-C-H-I-L-I-P-E-P-P-E-R, red chili pepper. Zucchini, Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I, zucchini. Bell pepper, B-E-L-L-P-E-P-P-E-R, bell pepper. Sweet potato, S-W-E-E-T, P-O-T-A-T-O, sweet potato. Chayote, C-H-A-Y-O-T-E, chayote. Endive, E-N-D-I-V-E, endive. Collard green, C-O-L-L-A-R-D, G-R-E-E-N, collard green. Green onion, G-R-E-E-N, O-N-I-O-N, green onion. Cabbage, lettuce, onion, spinach, potato, celery, asparagus, radish, broccoli, artichoke, tomato, cucumber, eggplant, carrot, green bean, pumpkin, pea, mushroom, beet, red onion, corn, cauliflower, red chili pepper, zucchini, bell pepper, sweet potato, chayote, endive, collard green, and green onion.